In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Airbnb. Whether you're an existing user or just getting started, this simple step-by-step guide will help you access your Airbnb account with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open up any web browser of your choice and head over to airbnb.com. Once the web page has loaded, take a look in the top right corner of your screen. You should see an icon that resembles 3 horizontal lines. This is commonly referred to as the hamburger icon. Go ahead and click on it. The menu that appears will offer you several options, but the one you'll want to focus on is log in or sign up. Click this option and you'll find yourself presented with several different ways to log in. Airbnb offers multiple methods to access your account, giving you the flexibility to choose what suits you best. If you prefer using your mobile device, you can opt for this method and wait for a one-time PIN to be sent to your phone. This is a convenient option if you're always on the go and prefer to manage your logins from your mobile device. Alternatively, you might want to streamline your login process by using one of your existing accounts. You have the choice to log in using your Google account, your Apple account, or your Facebook profile. This can save you from having to remember another password and can make logging in quick and seamless. However, if you prefer a more traditional approach and want to use your email and password, that's also an option. Simply enter your registered email address and password into the designated fields and then click Login. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Airbnb account. With these straightforward steps, you can now access all of your bookings, messages, and account settings hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with more useful how-tos and tips. Happy travels and enjoy your Airbnb experience.